Okay, so we're dealing with a INOKIM Ox folding mechanism. Pretty bad wobble and shake.
I'm gonna try and get this ring out as well. There's mooring on this red folding lever. You can see there. That's from this nut being too far down. You take out this center pivot point. Make sure you've got everything supported, because once you lift this up, it's all loose. And you can see, let me clean it off. That flat spot there should be lined up with that flat spot there. And that's really far off, so that's not supposed to be like that. Which means this ring in the center, which threads into here, is probably misshapen. We're gonna have to take that off. Release the nut in front.
This was probably caused by over tightening over time, I guess.
And take it off.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't lose that spring. That can just pop off. Set that down nicely. Make sure no cable's getting pulled. You can take the spring off. And then I need to get a wrench. Okay. So the only way to get that center bit out that should be moving, staying in that spot, but for some reason it's stuck there. The only way to get that out right now is to hit it with a pin. Yeah, we're gonna have to tap that out.